I'd like to start off by saying in no way, shape, or form am I an influencer. If anything, I'm the influenced. Influency?
I'm easily influenced, is what I'm trying to say.
I think I've tried to convince myself that I can be aesthetic and I can be that cozy, comfy YouTuber that you see day to day reading books, playing video games, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing that I try to convince myself I could. So with that being said, come clean my kitchen with me.
Oh, wow,
yeah,
that's great.
so aesthetic. Yeah, girl.
Clean that.
I started off by opening the windows because every single time I wake up in the morning, I feel like a Reddit mod, and I live in a basement. That's what it looks like in my house sometimes. So I open up my windows and I get the day started. I went into the kitchen and I was instantly ready to turn around. I started off by cleaning the dishes. The dishes were the worst, so I had to get that out of the way first. It took about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna speed this up because it went way too slow for me. The next step that I went into was getting everything off the counters and cleaning it off. I basically would take it all and I would move it into a separate area that was clean, and then I would wipe it down. Yeah, I just wiped it down. I didn't go into absolute spec detail of everything over here, only because there wasn't really much to clean on this surface, to be honest. I just wiped it down and called it a day. Yeah, and then I moved on to the next section. The next section is the scariest section for me. I feel like I really never cleaned this area, as bad as that sounds, and only because I have no excuse. Let's be real. I have no excuse for it. I make my coffee over here every single morning. I make ice over there. We use the air fryer every single day, and I should be cleaning over there because it is a day-to-day thing that I use. So the fact that I don't clean it is a little concerning. I need to get better about that. I wiped everything off camera, appliance-wise, because I didn't feel like moving the camera. To be completely honest with you, I really didn't. I wanted to just get the fuck in there and get the fuck out. Let's be real. As I was setting it up, I thought, oh, I'll put this cute little plant here. Yeah, that'll make it aesthetic. Oh, and then as I was doing this, I got a coffee craving, so I made some coffee. And then Sage tried to ruin my shot. But here it is, the kitchen. It's clean. Woo! Yeah. Oh God. Okay. Yep. That's a coffee stain on. Clean that. Okay. And yeah, here we are. Clean. I literally woke up like an hour ago and I already had my first cup of coffee. And then I was like, let's clean this out. And I cleaned it out. And then I made myself a second coffee. So this is me like, okay, I brush my teeth. That's pretty good. I applaud myself for that. The majority of the times I usually don't brush my teeth until like 12 o'clock, let's be real. And around this time, it was like 9 or something. I've been in kind of a slump where I don't want to clean anything, and it shows clearly. I'm going to take it day by day with cleaning. I start with one section and then I basically say that my back hurts and then I don't do anything for the rest of the day because I procrastinate like crazy. If you found this video and you thought it was gonna be clean with me, I recorded myself cleaning the kitchen and I tagged you along with me, so sorry you had to go through that. So with that being said, thank you for coming along and cleaning my kitchen with me. It was kind of all over the place. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.